guys, how you doing? It's Henry, Mowers and Blowers. Good morning. Beautiful day out in the early fall of October 2022. Just got a load from Mother Load 2032 from Nick Diarty over in West Islip. One of the most intriguing ones out of the group was one of the reasons why I went to go get it was because of a Toro recycler. Yes, it has a Tecumseh engine in it, which I hate, but shouldn't take too much to get this going. Nick tells me that the customer just wanted a carburetor replacement. She didn't want to pay for the pickup and drop-off fees that he was charging. Come on, man, just go drive your car, throw it in the trunk, forget about the pickup fees. Anyways, you guys know this Tecumseh carburetor, third party, it's like $5 or $6. Super cheap. It doesn't really look all that bad, to be honest with you. Primer bulb is soft. I don't think it would take too much to get this thing going. Look at the bagger. It's in excellent condition for something it's probably 20, 30 years old, you know. Deck looks like it's in good shape, and even the front self-propulsion wheels are in excellent condition. As if they never used it, you know. So we're gonna see if we can get this one going, and I won't put too much gas in it if we get it going, because you gotta winterize it afterwards anyway. So I'll probably use up all the gas and mow my lawn again. So let's see how quick we can get this going. So it's got gas in the tank, and as you can see, it leaks gas just from a little bit of priming. Well, given that this seems like the primer works, let's just give it a pull and see if it starts. Apparently it does have gas in it. So apparently there's really nothing wrong with it. Given the fact that I tried the self-propulsion and this wire just kept going. As you can see, I can pull it out all the way, which I'm not going to do. So it's probably just rusted on that side, broke, but it seems like it moves, you know what I mean? Maybe it's just not connected, but I don't want to pull this all the way out. It looks like it's broken because it seems like I can pull it all the way out. So all we need is a new cable for the self-propulsion. Doesn't seem like there's anything wrong with the carburetor. Starts. Doesn't run all that great, so maybe it needs a carburetor clean and maybe a throttle adjustment, you know. Other than that, I don't think there's anything really wrong with it. First thing we're going to do is let's take that self-propulsion cover off and see what the story is with this cable. These covers are one of those that you have to take the bolts out from underneath. There's no hole on the top. Okay, looks like there are 3 H bolts on the bottom to remove the cover. Move out some of this grass and you can see the bolt right along the baffle. One, two. Here's the cable, and this part of it is broken, see? It's rusted. And busted right there. That's why you can pull the other side out. So I don't know if I have a cable like this. I'll go check. I'm not sure. If I do, we can just swap the cable out. If not, I have to go buy one.
When you buy one, you don't buy shit.
It's true. I won't buy shit unless I need to. It looks like I might need to if I don't have it. Then we'll check out the carburetor after this. So look at this. I found a cable that's exactly the same one, except this one's short like 8 inches. So it's too short. Can't use this. It's good to know I have this though. So I've been looking everywhere. I just don't have a cable that long. I have a few of these that are shorter, that go up to here, not to there. And the reason behind that is because these are for the rear self-propelled models. So you need the extra length to get to the front. So I'm thinking, why don't I just try to extend one of these, like have this stop around here, and then I'll crimp a wire onto here and have it pulled up to where the handle is. That's all it is. You just have to have this engaged. So I'm gonna try that. It'd be interesting. Okay, so I have this cable there. This is the short cable. I drilled a hole so that this thing could be put in, the bolt holder, which allows you to adjust whether you want an inch sticking out, or you can pull it even more or loosen it. Goes through here, and then I got one of these crimping things that attaches to the original wire. So now when you engage the handle, it pulls the pulley, or it makes that tighter so that the belt's tight. And it's strong enough that it extends the, I'm pulling with all my pressure here, and it's pulling on the spring. So this seems like it'll work. First time I've done that in this way. Let's see if it works. Now this is assuming the self-propulsion works. Let's see. Awesome. Now let's put the cover back on since it's fixed, apparently. Now that we're in the area, why not do a little quickie? Quick and dirty. It's just because it doesn't seem to run great, you know. So maybe this carburetor was already changed by Nick. look at the condition of the bowl. Uh-huh. So it's kind of dirty. Got a lot of crap in it. It looks like a new carburetor though. Probably just sat there with a lot of gas for a while. Blow out the bowl. Clean now. Just gonna blow up the emulsion tube a little. Put the bowl back on. Alright, did a quick and dirty. Fixed the self-propulsion cable. Give her a couple of rips. So let's see how much gas was in here. That's plenty. Like a quarter. And let's check out the oil. Wow, that's a lot of oil. Thick. Well, it was on the side, so but there's plenty of oil in here. Maybe overfilled. Do some primage. Okay, starts up fine. Just needs a little adjustment on the RPMs. Clamp it so I can look at it. at that lawn, huh? Came out pretty good. So I was finishing up. Still have plenty of gas in it, so I'll probably use it for next week. Handle came loose, and I just went through. It's like looking for a needle in a haystack, you know, but found it. Let's take some pictures of this now for listing. There you go. Sprayed it down, took some pictures. I'll probably sell this next year for 150 bucks. Maybe 175, depending on how the market goes. Broken cable? No problem. Hack it. That's right, I'm a hack. Not a mechanic, a flipper. Get it going, sell it for profit. That's it. Thanks for joining me on this Toro Recycler cable fix. We'll see you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers.